The sun feels permanent in a way almost nothing else does. Every human civilization, without exception, was built on the assumption that the sun would rise again tomorrow. Empires planned decades ahead because seasons returned. Agriculture existed because sunlight was predictable. Even our sense of time itself, days, months, years, is nothing more than humanity measuring the behavior of a single star. For all of recorded history, the sun has never failed. Now imagine the impossible. Without warning, without explosion, without any visible event in the sky, the sun disappears. Not collapses, not explodes, it is simply no longer there. At first, Earth does not react. The sky remains blue. Clouds drift normally. Cities continue moving. Traffic flows. Planes take off. People go about their lives completely unaware that the most important object in their universe has already ceased to exist. This delay is the most disturbing part. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away. Light takes a little more than 8 minutes to reach Earth. For those final minutes, humanity is living inside a memory, receiving light from a star that no longer exists. Every second that passes, Earth is closer to the truth. Then the light stops, not slowly, not gradually, instantly. Across the entire planet, day becomes night at the same moment. There is no sunset, no twilight. The sun does not move toward the horizon. It is erased. The sky turns black, even at noon. Stars appear immediately, sharp and overwhelming. Constellations that were invisible during the day suddenly dominate the sky. The moon vanishes, not physically but visually. Without sunlight, it becomes a dark, lifeless rock. Temperatures begin to fall almost at once, not like a normal night, but faster. Within minutes, surface temperatures drop several degrees. Within an hour, the decline accelerates. Weather systems collapse as their energy source disappears. Storms weaken mid-formation. Winds slow then fade. Jet streams unravel. The atmosphere begins to feel unnaturally still. Photosynthesis stops everywhere at the same time. Every plant on Earth ceases energy production instantly. Forests, crops, algae, phytoplankton, the entire foundation of the food chain freezes in place. Animals panic. Birds lose orientation. Migratory species become confused. Human civilization realizes almost simultaneously that something fundamentally wrong has happened. But even now, Earth is not finished. Darkness alone does not end a planet. Cold alone does not destroy a world. The true catastrophe has not yet arrived. Because the sun does not just give us light, it gives us gravity, and gravity obeys the same delay. For just over 8 minutes, Earth continues orbiting a star that no longer exists. Then gravity disappears. Not weakens, not fades, it stops. Earth does not slow down. There is no shaking, no warning tremor. The planet simply stops curving around the sun and continues forward in a straight line. At more than 107,000 kilometers per hour, Earth is suddenly flung into deep space. The solar system does not explode, it dissolves. Mercury shoots off on its last known trajectory. Venus drifts into darkness. Mars silently disappears in another direction. Each planet becomes an orphan, moving forever through space with no central anchor. The sun was not just a light source, it was the structure. Without it, the solar system is no longer a system at all. On Earth, consequences stack rapidly. Within days, global temperatures fall below freezing. Ice forms everywhere and never melts. Within weeks, oceans begin freezing from the surface downward. Sea ice spreads across the planet, reflecting starlight into the darkness. Weather ends completely. No rain, no wind, no storms. The atmosphere becomes static, heavy, unmoving. Carbon dioxide begins to freeze out of the air, falling as dry ice snow. Oxygen levels slowly decline. The sky becomes thinner, quieter. Humanity retreats underground. Power grids fail. Fuel becomes the most valuable resource on Earth. Nuclear reactors become artificial suns, providing heat and light in isolated pockets of survival. Cities freeze into monuments. The moon continues orbiting Earth for now, but the system is unstable. Without the sun's gravitational influence, even this relationship may not last forever. Earth is now a rogue planet, a world with no sunrise, a world with no future written in the sky. Years pass. Then decades. Earth becomes unrecognizable. Surface temperatures plunge below -100 degrees Celsius. The oceans freeze solid, sealing the planet beneath kilometers of ice. The atmosphere continues collapsing as nitrogen and oxygen slowly condense and fall from the sky. Earth begins to lose its air. Life survives only where heat still exists, deep underground, near geothermal vents, or inside sealed human structures powered by dwindling energy reserves. But heat is finite. As centuries pass, Earth's internal energy fades. Volcanic activity slows, then stops. The core cools, the magnetic field weakens. Cosmic radiation begins reaching the surface unchecked. If life survives at all, it does so in its simplest forms. Microbial, hidden, temporary. Earth continues drifting through the galaxy for millions of years, a frozen archive of a world that once lived, a silent sphere carrying the remains of oceans, forests, cities, and civilizations that assumed the sun would always return. The sun did not destroy Earth. It did not explode. It did not attack. It simply stopped being there. And that absence was enough. This is the most unsettling truth of existence. The universe does not need violence to end a world. It only needs to remove one constant. And so we end with a question that has no comforting answer. If an entire planet can die quietly, drifting through the dark, how fragile is everything we believe to be permanent? For more curiosities and mysteries of the universe, like and subscribe to the channel.